Hello viewers, welcome to Code for Any. Shift UI online glossary admin app inside today we need to see this here the product types we need to developing here the add, update, delete and list need to use this here. We need to copy here the category UIs and also need to call this here the copy the view models for here. So now first of all need to declare this here the view models and to create here the files. Give this here app view model like this creatings and also need to check this here the models type models and to give this here the another where color str string equal to give this here the 6 time b like the settings here and to configure this here and after need to write down here the self dot color str is equal to need to write down here this value need to pass here copy here this value and to paste it here. Like this, modifications are the needs inside the type models. Now we need to copy here the category view models before we need to create here the new tabs, create here the new groups and to give this here the type. Now create here the new files and to give this here the name, type view, create here and also new file. Select here the shift UI and to give this here the name, type add view. Like this we need to create here. Now, first of all, need to copy here the category view models inside the all data and to declare here the new API. Now need to copy all models here and we need to paste here. I need to copy with the class name and now need to paste here. Now need to change here top view models like this configures and also need to find out this category and to replace with here the type model like here's replace all we need to set here. Then after I need to configure this here the add options to view this here the add inside to write down here the product type. Then after product type color and also need to set here the type image like this we need to add here and to change here. Then after we need to another configurations are the needs here. Now need to first of all the checking here the name property already given and also need to change here product type like here and also need to set here type color like and now need to set here the cat id to type id replace here store id like this changes here also need to find out here and replace here type underscore id replace all like this configures are the needs here. Now need to go inside the api and to declare here the product type api paste here type add paste here also need to change here category to like this change as a type also need to change here copy and to find and replace tabs replace all like this need to changing here the api need to need CS Also, we need to set here the type name like here. Need to set here and also right here type name and check here the models type models need to configure and like this you need to creating here the view models and now need to save here. Now we need to develop here the type add view. First of all, now need to copy here the category add view. We need to copy and to change here. First of all, now like this copy and add inside. Need to replace with here. Add set here category view model to type view models and also need to find this here and to replace here EVM. Replace all like this configures are the needs here and to configure here. Now also need to change this here the titles product type like here's copy add product types set here the product name product type name enter type name and also set here the type color like this we need to configure here and to setting here. Then after we need to scroll down and to check here any other place need to replace no. Now we need to copy here the category view here and now need to replace here the tab view. Change here the name. Also we need to change here find and replace TV models like this and also need to set here tab view models like this configures are the needs here. Now also need to change here product type like here we need to change our we need to set here. Also we need to change here the cells we need to set here the type pro type cell maybe we need to create here the duplicates is the goods here. Now we need to go inside the common UI and we need to copy here the this category cells. Create here the new files. Select here the SwiftUI and to write down here the name, product, type cell, creates and to paste this here. Now first of all we need to change here the name. Also we need to change this here the type models we need to configure here type models here and also need to see object to set here the a object replace all and also we need to give this here the type cell preview type model set here the type id also type name. First of all we need to check here the property name type name like this configurations are the needs and to configure this here like this value and now use these cells inside the type view. Now need to find out here the type view and to replace here to change here a objects and also need to change here the variable name like this configurations are the needs and to configure this here. Also need to change here the category add view to type add view like here so need to configure And also need to go inside the view models. You need to configure, edit, and you need to set here the true. Like these configurations are the needs here. Now need to find out here the main tab view and to configure this here the tab and to give this here the select here tab view like this set, and also need to set here the name as a types, and also need to change this here the image. We need to set here the explore tabs like this. We need to setting here. Now we need to test here the these apps. We need to run here inside the simulators. Now app is running. Done. Now we need to select here the types and to get this here the product type list UI need to showing here. Also we need to add here the new types here the add product type names. We need to enter here the test one and to set here the color codes not change here. Now need to select here the photo library, insert this here the image, select here and to click on ads and types add successfully. You need to call this here the API and to get this here the success response. Then now need to edit here the UI. We need to edit this here. We need to set only the text and to change this here the colors. Need to set here the 00 like this and to updating here and update successfully. We need to get here like this. We need to configure and to setting here. Then after we need to call this here the deletes type deleted successfully. You need to get here the successfully. You need to return here. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.